Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a website traffic campaign inside the Quora ads platform. So once we log into the account, we can start building out a new campaign. And this time we are looking at website traffic. So you can name the campaign first. And then once we give the name of the campaign, we can give the details of the campaign, like the budget of the campaign, how much you want to spend on a daily basis. And then you can schedule the campaign as well. You want to run the ads continuously, directly, right, immediately, or do you want to have a future date on it? Once we fill up these details, then we can give the ad set name. So here you can give the ad set name specifically, and now you can do your targetings. So the targetings are going to be location targeting, which we can set over here. So in this manner, you can select your locations. Then you also have gender targeting, so where you can target specific genders. And then you can do your different types of audience targeting. So that is contextual, audience targeting, behavioral, and broad. So in contextual targeting, you have the option to choose topics, keywords, or questions. So let's say we're looking at keywords related to digital marketing. This way, you can do your audience targeting, and then we can set the bid. So now this is going to be a website traffic campaign. So ideally what you're looking for is clicks on your ads so that people visit your website. So this is where you can choose the ad delivery to be cost per click, and you can set a bid, how much money would you be willing to pay for every click which you get on your ads. So this is what we choose here as cost per click, and we can set the bid amount. And then we move to the next level, which is going to be our ad level, where we can create the ad. Now, again, you have the option of choosing the type of ad you want to create, whether it's an image ad, video, text, or promote and answer. Okay, so let's say we're doing an image ad. You can give the headline over here. And then you can give a call to action. You can also choose the image, because this is going to be an image ad which we are creating. In this manner, we can create the ad. This is our image ad which we have built out. And lastly, we can provide our landing page URL. Landing page URL is going to be the page where people will land once they click on our ads. So you can see this is how the ad is going to look like on desktop, and this is how it will be on mobile. Once the ad is built out, then we can go ahead and continue further and build out the campaign. So this is the way our website traffic campaign can build out, guys. You can see this is the campaign we have created now, which can run on our Quora ads platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand now the complete process. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.